Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When it comes to home maintenance items, it really pays to get a nice quality product. That's why we love these hose elbows from Hooshing. These 45-degree hose elbows are just the thing if you need to change the angle of where your hose is connected to your faucet. They are really easy to use. They attach just by screwing the threads on, and you can move around the angle and then lock it into place. So this is really nice because it helps to prevent kinking and straining of your hose by bending it in a weird angle. This just provides the correct angle, nice and solid. We have been able to use these on both our garden hoses and on our pressure washer because the angle that you apply your hose on this machine always leads to straining, and so this completely eliminates that and it just makes everything work better. These are made from solid brass, which makes them super durable and corrosion proof, and you know that these are going to really last a long time. They feel super solid. They also come with extra washers. So these are an awesome product. You can definitely feel that they are high quality and are made to last, and that's my point of view.